Alright. Fucking camera phone. Uh-oh. Where's my tooth? Fuck. I wonder what I did with my tooth. It's missing. Fuck. Oh no. It's really odd that I would not put my tooth in the glass. I don't take it out. I mean, maybe I don't, I'll have to look. I'll do it later since we're already filming. And making coffee is what we're doing. Okay, last day before Pierre arrives. Second day of vacation. Really enjoyed one battle after another yesterday. Already looking forward to seeing it again. And the article I read said how amazing one scene was in IMAX. So maybe that's the best screen to see it on. The only place I know that has IMAX is Metron. But anyway, so I didn't sleep too well last night. Woke up before dawn and laid in bed, and before I started reading my phone, read about the military in Portland, and then I went down a rabbit hole about, what was I reading about? Can't remember. Anyway, I read a bunch of bullshit. Then I started playing New York Times games, which I haven't played in a long time. But Greg got me back on it yesterday, and so I started doing that, and I was in bed, I think. Well, I don't know, whatever. I was doing other things too. But I've been awake for quite a while. Got probably 5 hours of sleep, which is just not good. Maybe less when sunrise, I don't know. I probably should know. Lynch would know, David Lynch would know when sunrise is. But, and I don't know the exact temperature like David would know, but it's not going to be warm today. It's going to be cool. I'm guessing low 60s, which, fine for me. It's been nice doing short sleeves lately. Especially since the buttons on my long sleeves are all gone, because I had, it's a long story really, but I had a washer that didn't do its spin cycle well. And I'm really bad at self-advocacy as a landlord. And it's not like, I'm afraid to ask it. No, it's not that, I just don't do it. It's not everything. I what do you call it? Procrastinate everything. So I forget to say anything, then I say something, and he also he takes advantage of my not following up, because I'll ask him, and then nothing will happen. I'll realize 2 weeks later, fuck, I'm missing more buttons. So what was happening was, the spin cycle would not rid the clothing of water, so you put very heavy drenched clothing in a dryer and just twist everything up. And it would rip buttons, so I have half of my shirts are missing a button. And most of them, because most of the year I wear long sleeve shirts. So I had very little choice in the last few months. It's since been fixed. He bought me a new washer. So. But I need to mend those long sleeve shirts, but I have, because I never wanted them, I have a bunch of gray short sleeve shirts ready to go. So I was happy to be like, oh, no problem, short sleeve shirt, warm weather. And it's still plenty warm enough. I like to wear a little jacket anyway, so. Alright, so I'm gonna grind, it's gonna be loud. Very loud. Where's my sound? Okay. So I did yesterday make, I didn't finish this, I just wanted to finish it later. I've got enough here to make a cup. I did yesterday make a couple of dude, I saw the guest who likes pour over. He keeps grinding for pour over, and then the grind number's wrong. So. Should I just have a pour over? No, I don't want a pour over. Well, good thing I didn't grind all those beans, I guess. God was providence. That's how God washes out for you. He gives you a notion like that. Oh, just grind a little, because I'm thinking of others, you, and saying, oh, I won't run this so long, it won't be so loud for them. But now, eight is the 7th. So round 8. And what I was saying previously was I did make 2 double shots yesterday, and it was excellent. So I'm pretty sure it was those beans that were the problem. And that's fine, more power to the family in India that grows those beans, but they're not my thing. I think they're Bird the Bear. Or the Bee and the Bear? I can never remember my coffee place. Are taking advantage of San Franciscans liking exotic things. Or, we'll give them Indian coffee. They'll love it. I'm not sure. I didn't like that coffee very much. But I do love their beans normally and their roasts. So this time I have Peekaboo Espresso. The Peekaboo Espresso roast. And I'm going tomorrow, maybe today, to go buy some more at their pop-up. Because I want to buy a bag. Because I'll have my friend Pierre here and my friend Janelle. Janelle's a big coffee drinker. I'm going to guess they'll prefer pour over because it's easy. I think Janelle does pour over at home. And so I'll buy a dark roast for that because I have a really good dark roast. And I'll buy another, maybe I don't need to. Yeah, I'll probably buy 2 pounds. Let's just move on, I guess. Here we go. Like I said, I didn't get great sleep last night, so a little out of it, a little more out of it than normal. The brain pound's a little heavier than normal. And a slight sense of vertigo. Slight vertigo. It's like a weight in my head and like a weird, it's hard to describe. But like your vision's not quite right. I don't know. I mean, everything's here. I get the injury, everything's focused on the brain. I feel it in the brain, everything. I feel everything there. I mean, like, I cannot stop feeling this area. Just like I can't let go. I wish I could. Maybe when I'm not thinking. But when I'm thinking, there's this strange, is that the way it is for everyone? Maybe it is. But I'm so aware of my literal area of my head. Alright, so anyway, and it's heavy and dizzy. Okay, so water, we want to make sure we have water. And we should refresh. You should put new water in every day. Instead of this plastic reservoir. Okay. Looking forward to it. Oh, it's football day in America. I'm so not. I'm just not interested in football right now. Although 49ers playing at 10 a.m., I'm at home. Okay, so anyway, making me happy. I had to wait for the green light, and boom. Getting my sown oat milk, sweet and creamy. Sweet and creamy. Sweet and creamy. Yeah, I mean, I really enjoy, like I said, I really enjoy it when Greg bought whole cream. Now, I really enjoyed that. I think I've just gotten to a point where I want cream in my coffee. Now I just have it out. I mean, like I said, I went from black coffee for a long time to suddenly enjoying half and half. And then half and half became almost like water. Didn't do anything for me. This, up to the ante of creaminess, but it's a bit sweet. Greg is right. As I said, it works well with the, what do we call them? There they are. Adaptogens. And I didn't put them in beforehand, which is a problem. So anyway, whatever. We'll put them in after it's brewed. And it's about ready. So I'll get my little teaspoon. And then we'll get my large mug, a very large green mug. I can't do anything with my left hand, by the way. If you continue to watch this, watch my left hand. It's all fucked up. I'm always curling and it doesn't work very well. So, I'm going to use my right hand. This is actually a large, it's not quite a tablespoon. I don't know. I don't know where I got this spoon. It just doesn't match with any other spoon in my drawer. It's not quite a tablespoon and it's not quite a teaspoon. Okay. Oh, yum. I wish, wow. I want to start on wishing. Okay. Think. Okay, there we go. Moment of truth. That's good coffee. Ciao.